Did you know that Christmas in Africa is much more than gifts and decorated trees? In many African countries, Christmas is celebrated in a unique way, full of love, community, and tradition. In Africa, Christmas is a time of togetherness. It's not just a family celebration, but something that involves entire villages. People come together for large feasts, where everyone contributes what they can: food, music, and stories. It's a time of sharing, not just among relatives, but with everyone. One standout feature is the processions. In countries like Ghana and Nigeria, churches organize street parades with live music, vibrant dances, and colorful outfits. It feels like the whole community becomes one big family celebrating the birth of Christ. And the food, African Christmas is filled with special flavors. From Jollof rices in West Africa to flame-grilled meats in South Africa, each region brings unique dishes that make the celebration even more delightful. But what truly sets African Christmas apart is the focus on its spiritual meaning. It's not about spending money on expensive gifts. It's about reflecting, giving thanks, and helping others. Many take this time to visit those in need, bringing food and joy to those who need it most. This Christmas, as we celebrate, we can learn so much from the African spirit: to love without limits, share with everyone, and value the true meaning of this season. If stories like this inspire you, subscribe to Legacy of Africa. In the comments, share how you plan to spread love and the Christmas spirit this year. Let's celebrate together the African way.